Today I'll be covering how you can insert math equations in Excel. So Excel actually has some built-in features that allow you to do this. Simply go up to the Insert ribbon, go to the far right, and if your screen isn't big enough, you might need to hit this drop down on symbols until you see this equation option here. Select the equation, and then it'll bring up this little pop-up box where it's going to ask you to type your equation here. Now you can go, if you're on the equation ribbon up at the top when you're selecting that box, you can manually input different equations here. However, that's a little bit more manual. When you select that equation, you then need to fill it in each section. But say that you can't find the equation you're looking for, Excel has the option that you can draw the equation, and Excel will try to guess what the equation is that you're writing down. So if you select ink equation, it'll bring up this little pop-up box, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so you can see here. Now this is a lot harder if you're using a mouse. If you have a touch screen, it might be a little bit easier. But let's say we wanted to use the formula y equals mx plus b. Now, I have terrible handwriting and Excel recognized my M as an N. So what you can do one of two things if Excel isn't 100% recognizing your formula. You can erase that part here, and then I can just write M a little bit more clearly, but it's still viewing that as N. So we can hit select and correct, select the M that's incorrect here, and then select M here. Then we can go ahead and hit insert, and it will insert our equation here for us to see. So that's how you can draw or insert math equations in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button before you go. Thank you, and just have a great rest of your day.